Before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead and get y'all some tea, because I'm about to pour me some tea. I've got me right here peach detox tea by Yogi. It smells amazing. You see I'm giving the orange vibes, and the reason why I'm giving orange vibes is because I really have some orange vibes, sensual energy, things to talk to you guys about today. Yes. Wazam, y'all. Bringing in a good mojo jojo, you know. Got the vibe set with the colors. You see we got the orange, the white, the blue with the offset pink. Y'all feel the vibes. Welcome in. Come on in. Don't be shy. Y'all see today I got y'all with the colors orange going. And that's the reason why we got that. We got the peach detox tea. I already opened it for you guys, but it's by Yogi. And one thing that I love about Yogi is that they always have little quotes. And this one says, "Your greatest strength is love." And that's such a coincidence that we have the love, is because we have love energy today. And not just any old love energy, the sensual love energy, okay? Our main topic of discussion is definitely sensual energy. How to transmute your sensual energy into love energy, into power, into peace, into strength, and all of the above. So, as many of y'all know, this platform is a platform of a lot of sexual energy, but not the sexual energy that could bring you power. Okay? Not the sexual energy that you can transmute into love. It's just the dull sexual energy that will most likely drain most people. Tea. Now, I'm gonna be flat out honest with y'all. This is a space where I can be most expressive, where I can tell my most truths. So when you guys come in here, when you guys subscribe with me and join my space gang, okay, I want you guys to be open and, you know, relax and really listen to the messages that I'm giving you guys, because this is real messages out here, okay? So what I want y'all to do before I start speaking, shut off all distractions, okay? Tune in. You invested into my channel, so tune into the information that I'm giving you. Hear with your ears, listen with your eyes. That's something that a lot of people don't understand, don't overstand, don't understand, but you will after subscribing to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, sensual energy. First, one thing I want to start off with is the chakras, okay? So we have 7 main chakras that everybody knows about, that are the main chakras of our body. Now we have more than 7. There's way more than 7, but the 7 main chakras that are widely spread around are these. The first one being the root chakra. That's at the base of usually your genitalia. Then there's the sacral chakra, which is the one that we're talking about today, and that one is right above your sacral chakra, somewhere around your navel area, your belly button. Then you have the solar plexus chakra, which is right above that, in between your ribs. Then you have the heart chakra, which of course is in your heart area. Then you have your throat chakra, and that is in your throat. Then you have your third eye chakra, which is in between both of your eyes at the base of your forehead. Then you have your crown chakra, of course, is at the crown of your head, at the top of your head. So those 7 chakras do definitely tell you what you need to know about yourself, and it'll tell you which ones are shut down or which ones are overactivated and which ones are needing of balance. So today, since this channel and this page is on OnlyFans, let's cut straight into it. Sacral chakra, sensual sexual energy chakra that we're going to transmute into what? Love, honey. Okay, I'm going to get really real with you guys. There is two main things that a lot of people don't know that you can do with your sacral chakra that can actually help you in manifesting your dream life. Not only your dream life, giving you power and also helping you have clarity in your mind. So with your sacral chakra, you can do many exercises such as breathing meditations and actually just touching your chakra and rubbing it in circles to help you to manifest whatever life that you desire, as long as it's of divine will. Okay, now let's take some more tea, and I got some honey in here, honey, because I love me some honey, because I'm what? Sweet like butterscotch. Not better yet, it's creamy honey. Y'all go check out my song, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, all of the above. Y'all go check out my new mixtape. It's called Road to Ascension, and it has a lot to do with the truth, but it's in music. So y'all go check that out. Ooh, I love tea. Leave in the comment box, do y'all like tea better or do y'all like coffee better? I love tea, I like coffee, but tea is a definitely everyday go-to. Now back to using this chakra, sacral chakra, to opening up your power and manifestation powers and to bring in flow and divine essence into your life. The second thing that you can actually do to open up your chakra, to open up your sacral chakra and to transmute it into love, but make sure it's sex with the right person, that you can actually do a meditative practice that you can actually breathe into that person and they can breathe into you, and that will actually stimulate that chakra, and you can also think different thoughts, positive thoughts during that session, and it can actually open up any manifestation that you desire, as long as it's in, like I said, divine will. Now, if you guys want more information on this, y'all go ahead and like this video to let me know that you guys are interested in content like this, and I will give you content just like this all the time, because I love speaking about love and I love speaking about the truth. Okay, so now the next thing that I wanted to tell you guys about the sacral chakra and why it's also a very detrimental thing in like the whole fabric of our lives and how everything moves. When they say sex sells, that is true. Now, but it depends on how you want to sell your sex, okay, or your sacral or your sensual energy. Now, a lot of people know this already, and listen to what I'm telling y'all. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. A lot of people know this already. A lot of beings know this already, that the sacral chakra is actually the main manifestation technique that you can use. Sexual energy is the main technique that you can use for manifesting, and also using it as power and an energy source. So if you pay attention, look around at music, look around at music videos, look around at Instagram and other social media platforms, and you'll see what is the main thing that's pushed. Sex, sensual energy. People are usually more attracted to more sensual energy filled people than they are that are people that are more dull and just straight left and right? Because it's fluid energy, it's more water flowing, you know, energy, fluid energy. So therefore you have to pay attention to the way that you use your energy and the people that you choose to be in your energy. That's why practicing certain things as mindful intercourse or mindful energy consumption or actually energy output is very important, because it can influence your whole fabric of your entire life in a good way, honey, especially if you know how to use it right and if it's in divine will. Okay, now there's some things that I want you guys to do your homework on. Looking up your sacral chakra is a very important thing. Do your homework, go to YouTube. All right, let's get into it. Let's crack it right down. Manifesting, that is of course the main thing that a lot of people have been talking about, and it's been the rave for a long time. So as I was saying, a lot of people don't actually know that manifesting is not just a new fad. It's just not an Instagram fad. You know, now that since we're seeing a lot of people on Instagram and YouTube speaking about it, we think it's a new thing, you know, that's been around for maybe a few years, but actually, in correction, it's been around for so many years. ages and ages. It's a very ancient method that actually not only is it used intentionally, but actually unintentionally it's used. Any type of energy that you bring in, any type of energy that you feel within yourself is an energy that you're going to put out, and that's the law of attraction and manifesting. So for ages and ages and ages, this ancient technique has been used not only just through mindful meditation, but also through using your sacral chakra and opening that orgone energy, and that orgone energy would transmute any sort of energy that you have out and inward, and it will transport it outward. And that's why a lot of people actually started using orgasmic meditations to actually manifest the life that they desire, and also bring in better energy for themselves, a more upbeat mood, and even a mate that they desire. And of course, if you have some type of method that you know that you'll be able to use in order for your life to be however that you want it to be, why not use it? It's your body, it's your temple, and you have the power to do that. Now, if you guys like these kind of videos, don't hesitate to share this video. Go ahead and tell your loved ones to subscribe. The videos are gonna get more and more dope from here. I promise you it's gonna get so dope. I'm super excited for this channel. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here. I'm good here for the long haul, and I'm so excited to be back. Now, you know, you see, I got the better setup now, better lighting, better camera equipment. Trust me, it's going down in the OnlyFans. So don't forget to tell your people to subscribe. Go ahead and like this video so I can know that you guys like this video. Oh, and also you guys go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. I have vlogs there. I have a music channel as well. So y'all just go ahead and, you know, connect everywhere. But I really love that you guys are connected here on my OnlyFans, because I get to speak my truth, you know, be open. I don't have any censorships or anything like that, because I can get real with y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.